Welcome to Quiz Puzzle. Today's challenge, Italian Brainrot Animals. 30 questions. You have 4 seconds to answer each one. Every correct answer gives you 1 point. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quizzes. Ready? Let's go. Guess the name. Tralalero Tralala. Let's keep it going. What's this? Tung Sahur. Here's the next one. Think you can name this? Boneca Ambalabu. Another round. Any guesses for this one? Chimpanzini Bananini. Moving on. Can you guess what this is? Cappuccino Assassino. Next one. Name this. Frigo Camelo. Let's continue. Who could this possibly be? Ballerina Cappuccina. Let's see the next. Guess this animal's name. Trulimero Trulicina. Let's see the next. What would you call this? Bobrito Bandito. Up next. Recognize this one? Sahur. Let's keep guessing. Think you can name this? Tric, Trac, baraboom. Here's another. Guess the name. Burbaloni, Lulilolli. Let's continue. How would you call this? Garamaraman dan Madudungdung tuntung perkuntung. Another round. Can you name this one right? Blueberrinni Octopussini. Let's see the next. Name this. Rhino Toasterino. Let's keep it going. Can you guess what this is? Graipussi Medusi. Here's the next one. Any guesses for this one? Tracotucotulu della Peladustus. Don't stop now. Who could this possibly be? Gorillo Watermelon Drillo. Let's keep guessing. What's this? Tigro Ligre Frutani. Keep it going. What would you call this? Spiju Nero Golubiro. Next one. Say the name if you know it. Hotspot. Let's continue. Guess this animal's name. Bobrito Bandito Tractorito. Up next. Can you guess what this is? Ganganzelli Trulala. Next one. Recognize this one. Spaghetti Tualetti. Let's keep it going. Can you name this one right? Cocosini Mama. Don't stop now. How would you call this? Perocello Limoncello. Let's see the next. Think you can name this? Trippi Troppi Trippa. Another round. Any guesses for this one? Ballerina Lololo. Let's keep it going. Guess the name. Penguinator Thermoregulator. Next one, guess this animal's name. Bobrini Cactusini. How many did you get right? Drop your score in the comments. See you in the next one.